I just arrived, and well, I just arrived, had to run out and get some tire slime. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fix one of the tires, because shocker, it got a nail in it. Who would have thought that would happen here? There's nails everywhere. So let's go put some slime in the tires. That should hold it up at least for a couple months. I can't believe the hardware store is so close. So nice. So nice. And here's the tire. I think that's pretty much it. I don't hear any hissing anymore. That's another sharpening stone. Look at that. Kind of funny. Were sharpening stones good window holders? I don't know. It's weird. It's the second one I found in this building. Well guys, that was it. So that was the last room. Now it's probably going to be another week or two of just going around cleaning up the rest. And then I believe we're going to go directly into like rebuilding some stuff. Or maybe like doing plumbing or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But either way, this is the last room that had to really be done. And it's going to be a little miscellaneous stuff for a little while. Probably 3 or 4 episodes. Oh, and they said, yeah, I can definitely have these breakers, so that's cool. I've never even seen breakers like this until here, but these things pop out. It's kind of neat. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. And I believe thus ends the demolition side of the Red Rooster and restoration. See ya!